Good day to everyone. I'm Ma'am Jovi. In this video, I am going to talk about relational operators in Java. In programming, we often need to check the relation between two operands such as equality, inequality, and others. Relational operators in Java are used to check the relations between two operands. After comparison, the relational operators return a Boolean value. Relational operators are mainly used for conditional checks in, if, else, for, while, and others. The syntax for Java relational operator is operand 1 followed by relational operator and then operand 2. Operand 1 is the first variable to be compared, while operand 2 is the second variable to be compared. Between operand 1 and operand 2 is the relational operator. What it does is it checks relation between operand 1 and operand 2. There are 6 types of relational operators in Java. The equal to checks if two operands are equal. Not equal to checks if two operands are not equal. Less than checks if one operand is less than the other. Less than or equal to checks if one operand is either less than or equal to the other. Greater than checks if one operand is greater than the other. And finally, greater than or equal to checks if one operand is either greater than or equal to the other. Okay, I am now going to demonstrate how to use the various Java relational operators. As you can see here, guys, I have here the class named Relational Demo. Okay, let's start. The first thing that I'm going to do is to display a text using this one, system.out.println. Just say relational operators. Relational operators. Okay. And then, okay. So it's indeed a good practice that I am going to compile first this one before continuing to check if there is something wrong or everything is working well. Okay, so our class name, and the class name that I used a while ago is relational.java, right? So here, cmd, so we need to enter into the folder in which I stored my file. I stored it in this folder. And then cd again, the folder name is Java Demo. Inside the Java demo, I'm going to check, yes, there it goes, relational.java. So to compile, okay, I'm going to scroll it up, Java, followed by the class name itself, relational demo.java. Okay, and so there's no error. Let's try to run the program. Relational demo. There you go. Okay, so relational operators. Now, let's continue. To continue, I am now going to evaluate those. No, I'm going to use rather the relational operators. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll compare the value of x from y. So let's see if I have here is x equal to y. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, So I'm going to clear first. So Java, relational demo, that Java. We are recompiling, and then we're going to run now the program, relational them like that. There you go. So what it does is it evaluates the expression. X has the value of 24. So if I'm going to read this, is 24 equal to Y? No. So the relational operator, once it is being used and you compare two operand, so it will return a Boolean value. So operand 1, the X is the operand 1, the double equal sign is the relational operator, and the Y is the operand 2. Next, what I am going to do is to display the the operand 1, operand 2, and the relational operators. So I'm going to display it. I'm going to modify this one. So X represent the 24 plus the space plus, so that's the X plus space plus X rather, sorry, plus, let's put this the equal sign in between. So that is a string constant plus, okay, the variable Y, and then what will be the value? Let's put some this one we will be using probably a space as a colon, so to see if the output is correct. Yeah, and then we add another one. Yeah. So this one holds the value of 24. This is a string constant that will appear when we run the program, followed by the second operand. And then this one is again a string constant. And then the relational operators here. Let's run the program. What will be the output? Okay, so it's okay. What is missing? It is being stated here that Y. Okay, after Y, I forgot to add a plus sign. This one here on this part. Don't be confused. No? If you encounter error, it's okay. What you're going to do is to refer on the error projected on the screen or the error that appears, and then check it and then recompile. So let's recompile, and then let's run the program. There you go. So I had achieved this one. So is 24 equal to 50? False. So the next thing that we are going to do is to use all the operand, the relational operators that I discussed a while ago in my previous presentation. So what I'm going to do is to copy and paste this one. Okay, I'll compare is, okay, the next operand is not equal, right? So we change this with not equal. So we're telling is 24 not equal to 50. Next, the next operand, the next two operand, the greater than and the greater than equal to. So let's continue. Let's use the z here, z. Okay, the variable z, the operand c. Okay, it's a small letter, so it must be encoded as small. This is all caps. Let's, okay, greater than, so c greater than y, c greater than y. Okay, next we'll be using the greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. And the next one, we'll be using here we'll be using x. Okay, this one will become x. Okay, is x less than, we'll be using by this time less than x, and c, is c less than x, and then we copy this one again because I changed the operand. Okay, and there you go, this will become less than or equal to. Let's run the program. Okay, let's compile it. After compiling, we're going to run it. There you go. Okay, so let us see our output. I'm going to resize this. Yeah, okay. So, is 24 equal to 50? False. Is 24 not equal to 50? This one, the second statement. The third, right? Okay, ito yan. And then, I have here, okay, let's see, is negative 2 because the z variable holds negative 2. So is negative 2 greater than 50? Of course, false. Is negative 2 greater than or equal to 50? False. Is negative 2 less than 24? Yes. Is negative 2 less than or equal to 24? It's true. Okay. I hope it is very clear on your part the function of the various Java relational operators. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.